Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I've guided you how you can install IPTV Smarters Pro on TCL Smart TV. So here are the streamlined steps for installing IPTV Smarters Pro on your TCL Android TV. If you are using Roku OS, the method will be different. So all these are steps. First of all, open Google Play Store from the TCL Android TV home screen. Search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Select the app and just click on install. After installation, open the app via your apps menu. Enter your IPTV provider's MCU playlist URL or extreme codes to login. So you have to follow all these steps in order to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your TCL Smart TV. Thank you for watching.